After Haryana police finally added the gang rape charges in the Murthal incident during Jat reservation stir, former IPS officer Kiran Bedi said the police had lost a lot of valuable time. Speaking exclusively to NNIS on the issue, Bedi said police should have taken people into confidence and opened a confidential desk to get information on the matter, but they failed to do so. She added, though Haryana police had made a major mistake by concluding too early that no gang rape had happened in Murthal, even when there was videographic proof, they still have a chance to build trust in people and investigate the case properly.
I remember soon after, as the agitation was ebbing, it was going down, there were complaints of, there were scenes in the media where they saw some stray strewn clothes around and certain undergarments they were seen, which was leading towards that some women's modesty has been assaulted. And I also noticed that the police went to the spot. But what concerned me, what I think disturbed me, was their very urgent conclusion. They concluded too early that nothing of this sort has happened. I think it was very early. On the contrary, they should have opened up a confidential desk, openly inviting, in confidence, anybody to come and complain if they saw anything, if they heard anything. Victims to come up openly requires huge amount of courage on the part of women particularly. Even witnesses to come up and say they saw. So they needed everything in confidence, in total confidence. I think that's where that message of confidence in them to be trusted, to my mind, was not enough. In fact, it was not given at all. It could have been given. So from now to say nothing happened, and now to say we are investigating, we've lost a lot of very valuable time. It's a precious time. Now that information has come, I think they need to still retrieve that lost time. Now the Haryana police must say, trust us, take us into confidence, come and tell us, and it will be at a place where nobody will know who came and said what. I think they have to win the trust. That's later on, that whether it can lead to a successful prosecution, collection of forensic evidence, because there would be no God knows whether there will be eyewitness, and everything will have to be confidential. First failure of the district collector, alongside is the superintendent of police, and alongside is elected representatives of that area, be it both the MP and the MLAs. These are the three people, these key people who are, and then the pradhans of the village. These are collective failures. After all, these positions of responsibility, whether appointed or elected, are for responsible behavior to ensure law and order doesn't break down.
Adding twist to the ongoing issue related to alleged incident of gang rape at Murthal near Sonipat during Jat stir for reservation, the Haryana police on Monday informed the Punjab and Haryana High Court that fresh charges of gang rape have been added in the FIR already registered on complaint of Delhi resident on the issue. Fresh charges were added on the basis of two anonymous letters received from an NRI woman from Australia and a girl student from Faridabad who were allegedly raped on the highway near Murthal during the stir.
Powered by NNIS.